Hello everyone, this is blow phrasal verb part 2. Now, the first meaning of blowout can refer to something bursting open or just exploding. For example, the tire blew out and I had to change it on the side of the road. So, once this happens to you, you can say, I had a blowout. Now, the second meaning is extinguish with force, which means to put out a fire or flame by blowing on it. For example, I had to blow out the candles on my birthday cake. Now, the third meaning is to celebrate lavishly, which means to mark or celebrate an event in an extravagant way. For example, they're going to blow out their wedding anniversary with a fancy dinner. Finally, in a more figurative way, blowout can mean to exceed expectations and perform exceptionally well. For example, the team blew out the competition with their outstanding performance. Now let's recap. So, blowout can mean celebrating extravagantly, okay? Putting out a fire or flame, extinguishing with force. Also, surpassing expectations, exceeding expectations, and it can mean bursting open or exploding. This is it for today. Thank you for watching and follow for more.